In this video, I'm going to be tearing into the 6.5 to see if we could tell why it's blew up, seized up, whatever the issue is. Hey, so like I said, I'm gonna tear into the 6.5 a little bit to see if I can tell what the problem is. For right now, I'm basically just gonna pull the top end off, so I'm gonna do intake and heads and see if I can see anything, like if it dropped a valve or something crazy like that. So I'm going to put this on a time lapse and start tearing into it and see what I can find. Alright, I got the intake and the valve covers off and all the rocker arms and push rods out. And we'll take a look, see what we can see. So everything so far seems pretty much normal. All the valves are still in the springs up here. None of them are letting me like pull them out or anything. On this side, same deal. Go there, intact in the head. So, not sure what happened, but now I'm gonna have to take the AC compressor off, alternator off, because they're bolted to the heads, and then take out all the head studs and pull them off and see if we can see anything. Well, I got both heads off now, and I don't see no obvious sign of failure yet. It did blow a head gasket, or maybe both of them. So the pistons and valves and everything are nice and steam cleaned and clean, and the inside of the intake manifold was too, for some fucking reason. Or I was injecting diesel, so that's maybe why the intake manifold looks clean. Anyways. So, yeah. So there. That looks like it might be scuffed a little bit. That one I did think have valve piston contact or something. On this side, everything looks normal-ish for a 200,000 mile motor. This was the passenger side head. Everything looks more or less normal. Driver's side head, same thing. So yeah, not quite sure why it seized up yet, but I'm gonna end this video off here. When I have extra time some other day, I'll throw it on the engine stand and actually pop the oil pan and see if I have some bent rods. It's the only thing I think it could be now. Everything valve train looked fine. The pistons, except for that one, had a couple scratches, but the pistons looked fine. So yeah, Till next time, keep between ditches, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you.